I'm calling it, guys. It's officially spring, and I know this because coming here down the back road, I was kicking up some dust and some dirt, and that means it hasn't rained for a few days, and that is a beautiful thing. We're finally out here getting some sun, getting some photos and some footage, and I thought I would drop a quick video for you. I'm out here shooting with the Tamron 70-300 F4.5-6.3. This is an incredibly great budget-friendly lens for Sony E-mount, and I wanted to tell you my first impressions before we get to the full in-depth review here in maybe a week or so. So this lens, as you can see, is a great size, but it is an incredible weight. It is really light for what it is. It does extend as you zoom, as you can see here. It's a 70-300, and again, fully extended, as you can see, it does get out there. But you get a bit of reach. I've got it on my Sony a7 III here. In crop mode, you're gonna be able to get up to a 450mm equivalent, which is kind of nice. Get some extra reach there when you need it. But this is just a great all-around shooting telephoto lens if you're just getting into birds or wildlife or something. Maybe you're shooting your kid's sports team or something like that. Again, really budget friendly, and it's really comparable to all of the other Tamron lenses in the lineup lately, like the 28-75, like the 70-180. It looks the same, it feels the same for the most part. No buttons or switches on this guy, but yeah, I'm digging it so far. I think the image quality and whatnot, again, that's the biggest factor, and that's what I'll include in my full in-depth review. But today I wanted to show you guys some photos that I've taken with this thing over the last few days, week kind of thing, to show you the versatility, some of the performance, and just what you can expect out of this. So, like I said, keep an eye out for my full in-depth review on this lens and any others. If you have any suggestions about what you want me to include in it, make sure you drop it down in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Here's some examples of some footage for you with this guy. And like always, make mistakes, be yourself, and get out here and take some more pictures. See you next time.